Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are just not working even after you factory reset them. Now, the main reason why this may be happening usually is because there is a hardware problem or software problem associated with your AirPods. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is understanding whether your AirPods are brand new or whether they're used and old or whatever. Sometimes if you have super old AirPods, if you threw them around, if you got water on them, there can be issues with them in and of itself that my basic understanding of what you're doing may not end up working. So what I'd recommend doing is taking your AirPods out and seeing if there's any dust, any debris, any earwax, or anything like that stuck in the case of your AirPods. You also want to go and take a look at the AirPods themselves and see if you can go and clean out these AirPods too. There can be a lot of times where you have to pretty much, take a napkin or something small and clean out the inside of your AirPods. The reason for that is because over time, a lot of dust and stuff can kind of get built up and stuck within the AirPods themselves, and I just dropped mine. But usually by going through and cleaning them up, that can clean up a lot of the sensors around your AirPods too, and that's probably what I would recommend doing in this specific situation. Now, if that doesn't end up working and you already reset them, I would probably recommend making sure they're charged up. So you want to go ahead and grab a lightning port of some sort, the charging, or you can even, wirelessly charge them if your AirPods support it. And you want to go ahead and just let them sit there for a while, let them charge up, and then go ahead and try repairing them to your specific iPhone, Android, whatever it is. Usually if you do that, that may end up working for you, and that's probably all you have to do. If that's still not working, what I would recommend doing is going to your specific iPhone, Android, whatever it is, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and pretty much re-update your iPhone or Android. So go through your settings, you want to go to General, Software Update if you're on iPhone, and go ahead and update your specific iPhone. I would probably also recommend seeing if there's an update available for your AirPods, which they'll automatically update if you have a iPhone. And that may end up working too. If that still doesn't work, I would recommend trying to repair and reset your AirPods again. So hold down that button on the back, wait until the white light starts blinking, and then pretty much just repair them to your iPhone or Android, and that may end up working. If they still don't work, then I would probably recommend making sure you didn't drop them or physically harm them in any way, and that might end up working for you too. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.